You might wonder, are there any flatworms that can affect human behavior? Well, no, but kinda yes. There is this worm called pork tapeworm. Normally, human is a final host of this worm. You can get this worm if you eat undercooked pork with resting larvae of this parasite called phenna. You will get a big adult worm in your guts. It will eat your food, but it will not harm you because it's not beneficial for a worm to hurt its final host. But sometimes, if human swallows not phenna but eggs of this parasite, human becomes an intermediate host. And with intermediate hosts, parasites are not so kind. Larva developed from this egg goes through the wall of intestines and goes into the bloodstream and delivered somewhere in the body. Sometimes in muscles, sometimes in other organs, and sometimes, which is the worst case scenario, in the brain. And in tissues of the host of the human, larva becomes a phenna. Having phennas in your muscles is not pleasant, but not deadly, not a big problem, not a big deal. But if you have phenna in your brain, it can really affect your life. Having those phennas in your head leads to a terrible headache, obviously, to epileptic seizures, and sometimes to behavior changing, like bursts of aggression out of nowhere. So, take care of yourself and try not to become an intermediate host of a parasite. Love to everyone, bye to all.